Yeah, but you have to, don't go near the water. Here, look. Come and have a look here.
Wow!
Wow, wait till you see this then. Keep going. Albie! You didn't know it was there, did you? Go and have a look. Go on, let's have a look. Woo! Don't be frightened, it's only water.
It's only water.
Yeah, do you like it? That is Dyserth waterfalls.
How would you go in it?
You can't go in it. We can look at it, and we can go at the top. We have to go up all those stairs. Yeah. Come on, dog. You have to wait for me, though. Oh, yeah, no, I'll come back behind you, just in case. Charlie, mate, come here. Wait for me. Just be careful when you're going up the stairs. Careful, mate. You have to do it slowly.
I am.
Careful. Oof. Okay, keep going. Last lot. Keep going.
Can I see it?
Yeah, but you have to wait for me.
Okay.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah. Whoa. You're doing really well. Oh, this, I can't believe how many you've gone up. Nearly at the top. Come on then, keep going. Keep going. Last ones, and you've done it. Oh yeah. Well done. Well done.